Graphing using intercepts. So we're going to graph this equation using the intercepts. Now, what is an intercept? Well, it's the value of y when x is 0. It's called the y-intercept. Okay, x is what? So when we write the equation, in place of the x here, I'll plug in the value of x, which is 0. Okay, this turns into 0 plus the y equals the 6. Then if you add these together, you're going to get y equals the 6. So when x is 0, y is 6. That's the y-intercept, the value of y when x is 0. Let's copy that down here and keep it on the screen. But then we'll get another point. We'll get the point where y is 0. We want to know what x is. Copy down the equation, and in place of y, plug in the 0. So negative 2x plus 0 is 6. Okay. That means now negative 2x equals 6. Now we're going to divide by the coefficient of the variable. The variable is x. The coefficient is the negative 2. Divide this by negative 2 and this by negative 2. So this gives you 1 times x equals 6 over negative 2 is negative 3. So when y is 0, x is this number here, negative 3. Copy that down here and keep it on the screen. So now I have 2 points. And this is my y-intercept and my x-intercept. We could draw the line right now, but just for the fun of it, let x be negative 1. Okay? Let x be negative 1. I have negative 2 times x, don't I? Negative 2 times, what is x? X is negative 1. Negative 1 goes here. That gives me a plus 2, doesn't it? And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to subtract 2 from both sides of the equation. So I can get rid of this 2, subtract 2 here and here, both places. So now y equals, and we're going to have 6 minus 2 is 4. So when x is negative 1, y is 4. And that gives me my third point.